How to add people on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add people on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add people or your friends on Spotify, it's very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and open the Spotify application here. Now first of all, just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you want to simply make sure to go to the connections tab, and then make sure to basically first of all connect your Facebook account in this case. And once you've connected your Facebook account, what can you do? After you've done that, you can just come to the search tab here, tap on the search option, simply search for the name of the person that you want to add in this case. Once you go ahead and search for the person that you want to add, it doesn't really matter whether you want to actually go ahead and find them or not. You can simply tap the follow button, or if you want, you can also add them as a friend. So following and adding them on your Spotify account is pretty much the same in this case as well. Otherwise, what you can do is, as I said, you can simply just come back to this option, go to this option known as connect option, and then you'll be able to turn on device broadcast status in order to find out what your friends are listening as well. And this way you can go ahead and then add people or friends on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.